Hello everyone. Welcome to Concise Market Research LLP. Our company is working in the market successfully since 2017. Our company's main objective is market research and mobile application development. Recently, our company has developed a new application named AdMoneta. You all must have heard about Truecaller and some of you might be using it. The main focus of Truecaller is to show information of unknown caller plus display of online advertisement. Our application is based on the same technology. The difference between our application is we do not disclose privacy of any caller but show only online advertisement. That too on call like this and off call like this. The revenue generated by these ads will be shared among our user and subscriber, and for this sharing, company has designed a program called Advertisement Revenue Sharing Program (ARSP). To get the benefit of this program, you will have to buy subscription of 2100 rupees and its validity will be of 120 days. In this plan, you will also get one specially designed precise digital marketing course worth Rs 9,999. Plus, you are getting 35 points every day for 120 days. When you calculate, in 120 days, you are getting total of 4,200 points. And here 1 point is equal to 1 rupees, which means in 120 days you are getting 4,200 rupees. Along with this plan, company is providing you with another opportunity. Every application needs active users. To increase that user base and to benefit all our active user, company has designed a referral model. In your day-to-day life, you refer or suggest different product or brand to your friends and family and they get the benefit out of it. But you do not gain any benefit out of this referral. Now we will see how you can gain benefit by referring our company's product. Let us consider that you have referred our company's plan to your 10 closed ones and they have become our active users. Then these 10 peoples will be added to your level 1. On level 1, company is providing you 10 points per active user, which means every day you are getting 100 points. Likewise, the persons referred by you joins 10 new active users, then on your level 2, your team count will be of 100 active users. Here, company is providing you 8 points per user, which means you are getting 800 points every day. If these 100 users joins 10 new users individually, then on your level 3, your total team count will be of 1000 active users. Here, company is providing you 6 points per user, which means you are getting 6000 points every day. This is called process of duplication. So let us consider that every person joins 10 new user individually. This basis, on your level 4, your total team count will be of 10,000 active users. Here company is providing you 4 points per user, which means you are getting 40,000 points every day. On your level 5, your team count is 1 lakh active users. Here company is providing you 3 points per active user. You are getting 3 lakh points per day. On level 6, your total team count is 10 lakh active users. Here, company is providing you 2 points per active user. On this level, you are getting 20 lakh points per day. On level 7, your total team count is 1 crore active users. And here, company is providing you 2 points per active user, which means you are getting 2 crore points per day. To gain the benefit of all 7 levels, you will have to fulfill one eligibility criteria. To gain the points of level 1, you must have minimum 2 active users on your level 1, which will be called your directs. Same way, to gain the points of level 2, you will have to have 3 directs. To gain the benefit of level 3, you must have 5 directs. To gain the benefit of level 4, you must have 6 directs. To gain the points of level 5, you must have minimum 8 directs. To gain the benefit of level 6, you must have minimum 9 directs. And to get the benefit of level 7, you must have minimum 10 directs. You all must be thinking how the company is generating so much of revenue. The ads will be shown to you via AdMoneta, by which the company is generating revenue from 20 paise to 2 rupees. Let us consider that company is generating 1 rupees per ad banner. Because company has provided special customization for every advertiser to reach their targeted audience, in which age group, gender, area, etc. filters will be available. According to market survey, one person receives 30 to 40 calls per day. Let us consider that one person receives 35 calls per day. 2 ad banners will be shown per communication, which means 70 ads will be shown on 35 calls. Like the calculation shown on the screen, revenue generated on 1 crore active user will be 70 crore rupees. This is revenue generated via ARSP. Along with this, company is going to arrange different tasks. For example, one task generates revenue of 200 rupees, which means on 1 crore active user, revenue generated is 200 crore. Likewise, company has more sources for revenue generation. Under 21 Innovation brand, company is going to launch 21 innovative application in 2021, which will consist of social media and online games. In these online games, every 15 days, company will arrange online multiplayer tournaments. When 50% active user base will be active at the same times, the ads shown will be prime time ads. And by these ads, minimum of 150 crore revenue will be generated. Along with this, the winners of online tournaments will have a chance to win 10,000 to 1 crore. Now let us move to renewal program. After 120 days, when you will renew your account for the first time, you don't have to pay 2100 but only 1800. Like this, company is deducting 300 rupees on every renewal, which means your second renewal amount will be 1500. Your third renewal amount will be 1200. Your fourth renewal amount will be 900. Your fifth renewal amount will be 600. Your sixth renewal amount will be 300. And your seventh renewal will be free. Now we will see how you can transfer your all points into your bank account. For this, company has provided automatic withdrawal. After becoming active user, you will have to download 21 innovation application from company's website, in which you will have to update your KYC and bank account details. After this, all your points will be automatically transferred to your bank account. Automatic withdrawal has 2 minimum conditions. For your ARSP points withdrawal, your minimum wallet balance should be 210 points, and this withdrawal is on every Monday. For your referral points withdrawal, your minimum wallet balance should be 210 points, and these withdrawal will be done every day. To gain all the benefits, you must be logged in into 2 applications, which are 21 Innovation and AdMoneta.